Hello. We're going to do a parody of, what's it called again? Oh yeah, Friday by Rebecca Black. But we steal the beer from the computer nerd. Sorry about that. Okay, now I'm going to put it on.
Her name is Jess and my name is Jed.
Jess, Jed, retard. Awesome.
¿Cómo?
7 a.m. waking up in the morning, gotta get down to the big 17. My free time is my very own office. I do my hair, then I do my teeth, then I shave my legs. Just kidding, I'm a bird. Gotta do my thing bad. Hey, gosh, it looks so green. There's a deep down. I have 7 choices, cause I'm a loner. Gotta get friends today. Let's go to the zoo. It's Sunday, Sunday. Gotta do a hop on Sunday. Write an essay, do ballet. Then I'll see how much we weigh. Tuesday, Sunday. Gotta do a hop on Sunday. Let's do a band. Girls got cookies in my hand. Baking up, baking a cake. Making and printing a tray. TV. My favorite show is on at 3. Sitting on top cause I got no plan. Got some dirt so I play in a plant. I'm running around looking at this like Pokemon White all day, all night. Yeah, I got sniffles up nose. I wear this hat, I look like a fly. Bathroom break 3 times a day. Gotta wash your hands, don't forget the soap. Kicking a soccer ball. Kicking the other balls knocked down. Exercising with my bike. Me and you look so alike. It's Sunday, Sunday, gotta get down on Sunday. Freaking us say do ballet, then we'll see how much we weigh. Sunday, Sunday, gotta get down on Sunday. Bacon with cookies in my hand. Baking a cake, baking a printing a tray. Baking to watch TV, my favorite show is on at 3. Yesterday was Saturday, Saturday. Today it is Sunday, Sunday. We punched an owl. We punched an owl. His eyes were furry like a creepy guy. Tomorrow is Monday, and Sunday comes afterwards.
I'm just a piece of his bed. I ate a bug, I thought he can. Walking outside into his driveway, I didn't go anywhere. I felt like a new Jay when he gave me a pack of tissue. Had that shit new, I had the features. It went into Friday, Saturday, Sunday. It's Sunday, guys!
It's Sunday, Sunday, gotta do a hop on Sunday. Today do ballet, then we'll see how much we weigh. Sunday, Sunday, gotta get down on Sunday.
Stretching out this rubber band.
Girls got cookies in my hand. Baking a cake, printing a tray. Favorite time to watch TV. Favorite show is on at 3. Peace out.
Thank you for watching.
Yeah, whatever. Hey, Alana and Natalie. Hope you watched.
Hi, Mom.